Paris, France, a city of firelight and fury. Centuries of ambition carved into narrow streets and grand boulevards. Kings build it. Revolutionaries tear it apart. Artists, lovers, and visionaries remake it again and again. And through it all, fiercely proud Parisians, stubborn, passionate, impossible to silence, push history forward with every protest, every masterpiece, every whispered idea that changes the world. Using advanced AI to breathe motion into forgotten engravings and long silent photographs, we won't just tell this story, you'll see it unfold. From the ancient banks of the Seine to the glittering skyline of today, this is the entire history of Paris. Let's begin at the beginning. Before Paris was Paris, it was just a collection of huts on an island. Around 259 BC, a Celtic tribe called the Parisii settles on what's now called the Ile de la Seine, that small island in the middle of the Seine River. They're fishermen, traders, and river people who control a strategic crossing point. The name Parisii possibly means boat people or craftsmen, which tells you everything about how they live. They aren't building monuments or writing philosophy, they're trying to survive. Then, in 52 BC, Julius Caesar shows up. The Romans don't ask permission. They conquer the Parisii during Caesar's Gallic Wars, and the settlement is burned to the ground during the resistance. But Rome rebuilds it, bigger, better, with their trademark efficiency. They call it Lutetia, meaning marshy place or mid-water dwelling. Not exactly glamorous. Roman Lutetia grows on the left bank of the Seine, and for about 3 centuries, it's a proper Roman town. They build an amphitheater that can hold 15,000 people, bathhouses, temples, and the foundations of what will later become the Latin Quarter. The roads are straight, the aqueducts work, and if you're a Roman citizen, life is actually pretty comfortable. But empires don't last forever. By the 3rd century, Germanic tribes are raiding from the north, and Lutetia's residents retreat back to the safety of the Ile de la Seine. They build walls, they fortify. The Roman dream is crumbling, and Lutetia is becoming something else, something that needs a new name. That name is about to arrive with a woman who becomes the city's patron saint. Just as everything is about to fall apart, the 5th century is chaos. The Roman Empire is collapsing, and barbarian tribes are carving up Europe like a feast. In 451 AD, Attila the Hun and his army are marching toward Lutetia, and the residents are ready to abandon the city entirely. Then, a young woman named Genevieve changes everything. According to legend, Genevieve convinces the terrified population to stay and pray instead of flee. Miraculously, or coincidentally, Attila's forces change course and spare the city. Genevieve becomes Sainte Genevieve, the protector of Paris. Whether you believe in miracles or military strategy, one thing is certain: Paris survives, and the legend of Genevieve gives the city something it desperately needs: hope. By 508 AD, Clovis I, king of the Franks, makes Paris his capital. This is when the city truly becomes Paris, taking its name from the Parisii tribe that lived there 1,000 years before. Clovis converts to Christianity, and Paris becomes the spiritual and political center of a new kingdom. Churches start rising.